the best that you have.
Hey everybody, my name is Taylor, also known as Taylor Travels, and I make videos about flight attendant life as well as other things. So here on my channel, I'm starting to do, you know, beauty vlogs and beauty videos because y'all know I like to change my hair up like every other week. So this time I am working with Julia Hair. I've already repurposed the box already. This is now my new wig supply box, which is why that's written up here at the top. But I love their hair. When they emailed me, I was so excited to work with them because I went on YouTube. Like normally when a hair company works with me or wants to work with me, I go on YouTube and I look up hair reviews. I look up like dedicated reviews, I look up paid reviews, I look up non-paid reviews, I look up reviews that people just bought the hair. And Julia Hair is like one of those hair companies that have all good hair reviews. I didn't see any bad ones. If you guys do see any, you know, let me know. But I didn't see any when I was looking them up. So I was very excited to work with them. And a lot of people had the long inches and the long bundles. So I was like, you know, I ain't never, ever tried no real long inches. And they have inches up to like 30 inches. Now today I did not get 30 inches because that's just a little much. I like to do the most, but I'm not gonna do that, like, because I want to wear it to work and I want to be just extra enough, you know, not too extra. But this hair is giving me life, y'all. Like, look at that, it's like water, it's like silk. But yes, I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about the hair. I got this hair sent to me a few days ago actually, and as soon as I got it, I installed it on a wig. I'm now a wig professional. I follow the other YouTube videos just like everybody else. I do have a wig cap that I will show you because I have a really big head and I don't use normal size wig caps. I actually use these. So hold on, I'm gonna grab it out of my box. So yeah, I buy these on Amazon and they're the extra large mesh dome style wig cap. And these are awesome because they fit my big head and I don't have to do anything extra to it. It's tight enough to where I don't need a band, but I did order some bands just in case it starts to get loose later on, or I just want it to be a little bit tighter or whatnot. But these are awesome if you have a big head. I also ordered a dome head that I can use, like a custom size dome head, and I have the 24-inch. Y'all, that's the biggest size I could get and it's the perfect size. I'm telling y'all, I got a big head. But a little bit about the hair. This is a 20-inch closure, just a lace closure, and then I have two 26 inches and two 24 inches. Let me get up and show you how long it is. Look how like it goes past my waist. Like, y'all, look, stripper hair, look at that, So this is just an initial review, and just to tell you guys how I sewed it in. I basically sewed almost all 4 bundles in. This is the only hair that I have left over, so it's like a track or two, maybe like 2 tracks worth of hair, and this is the 24-inch. And then as far as the closure, all I did, I bleached the knots. I'm no professional on it. So I bleached the knots. I think I did an okay job. It was like only my 2nd time bleaching knots on anything. I did that and then I plucked it a little bit down the middle. I don't want to over pluck it because I've done that before and it's not cute when it's over plucked. So I'd rather it be a little thick than it be too thin because that's not cute. And then I thinned out the front a little bit because it is kind of thick, but I thinned it out just a little bit. I don't even know if you can tell. Nah, I don't think you can even tell, but it's not like I'm gonna be pulling my hair back anyway. So yeah, and I did this one little baby hair thing. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna keep doing this unless I do it on both sides, because normally when I see it, I think it's so stupid when it's just one little baby hair right here. Like, I instantly know it's a closure when there's a baby hair with the middle part. I don't know why I did it, but I did it and I don't think I like it. But yeah, that's about it. I mean, I'm gonna be coming to you guys like in a couple weeks because I literally just got this hair like 2 or 3 days ago, and I'll tell you guys how it holds up. I'm gonna wash it a few more times. I'm gonna wear it to work and like stunt on the house. or whatever. But yeah, I will definitely let you guys know. Thank you so much, Julia Hair. This video is sponsored by them. So just to keep it 100 with y'all, just to let y'all know it is sponsored. And yes, my nails are broken. Please do not judge me for it. I broke both of my nails yesterday when I was doing hair because I made like 3 or 4 wigs. So don't judge me. So yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit, because after this clip, I'm sure there'll be another clip telling you guys more about the hair. So see you in a little bit. All right, so hey guys, it's been a few months since that last clip that you guys saw, so now I can basically give you a full run through of this hair. I'm actually in a new place. I've moved, so new setup. Welcome, how you like it, what you think, you know, just let me know. Anyways, this is the hair 2 or 3 months later. It's March now, so like 3 months later. And I'm just going to talk about a few things that I liked about this hair and a few things that I didn't like about this hair. So I love the thickness and the fullness of this hair. This hair is super thick, super full, super soft. I really love this hair for this length. This is only 4 bundles and a closure. So I think I really got the density of this hair. Like, I got my money's worth. Or I would have if I bought this. But this video is sponsored, just FYI. Just wanted to let you guys know. I don't want to give y'all the impression, the wrong impression. Give me the wrong impression. But yeah, I really like this hair. I'm running my hands through it. It did not shed that much. Now, this is a wig. It's a wig that I made. I'm no wig expert, but I do sometimes make wigs for myself. And so this hair, it didn't really have that much shedding. Not nearly as much as I would have expected. So that's another good thing that I really liked about this hair, is that there's not that much shedding. It's very thick, soft. I really didn't have too many complaints about it. I'm very rough with my wigs. Like, as soon as I get done wearing a wig, I throw it off and I throw it on the bed. So tired, y'all. Like, y'all have no freaking idea how exhausting.
Oh my God!
Or I throw it wherever I'm at. The closest place as soon as the doors close is where I throw my wig. Sometimes it ends up being on the floor. And I don't really know how to properly stow, Lord. I'm a flight attendant, so some of those words are coming back. I'm having flashbacks. But I don't properly store my wigs. I just throw them in a Ziploc bag, and I just throw them, you know, in a bin underneath my bed or in my closet. So the only thing I did when I took it out of the actual bag was just blow dry it. So this is the blow dried state of it, and it's still super thick and it's super full. Now, some of the things that I did not like about the hair when I got this hair, so this is a closure, right? And this closure, I believe, is a 20-inch closure. No matter the length of the closure, there was a lot of small pieces, especially right here in the middle part. So like, I don't know if you can see all these flyaways. Let me move your head down, sis. Move your head down. And I'm looking at my screen right here so I can make sure you guys can see it. But I did have to like spray like some, you see those flyaways? There's a lot of those on this closure. And so it looks kind of crazy, especially when you first wash it and you haven't flat ironed it or anything. All these little pieces of hair, they're maybe like this long, even though the closure piece, like, let's see. So the closure piece, I believe, is like 20 inches. So it comes all the way down here, but there is a lot of smaller hairs up here. So that's the only thing I wish was different about the closure. The closure part is awesome. I love it. It's very clean. It's not, the lace wasn't too thick, which I like. It matched my skin color. It kind of matches this actually. Let's see. Yeah, so it's basically, you know, pretty nice. But other than that, yeah, I didn't really like the shortness of a lot of these pieces. Like, I'm pulling up this hair and I see like 4 or 5 strands that are really short. That's the only thing I wish they would change. I wish they didn't have so many freaking short pieces, especially where I want to part it at. And normally, no matter what side I put it on, I part it in the middle so that there's enough hair on both sides of the part. And then, I mean, I like this because I don't really like, I like layers, but it's kind of the same thing with some of the bundles. Now, since the hair is so long, like, it's just few pieces here and there that are a little short. But I think that's most hair, because I was even looking at this hair. This is a different hair from a different company, and it kind of does the same thing. But I guess since this hair is straight, you'll see it more. But other than that, I mean, I really like the hair. Those are the only two complaints that I had about it, which are probably really easily changes that they could make. So yeah, if they are watching this part of the video, please make those changes. Those are the only issues that I had with this hair. I've had this hair for 3 months and it's still awesome. It's still amazing. Whenever I have a bad hair day or I feel like being the, you know, the baddest with these inches, like, boom. Boom, it's thick, it's long, it's there, she's here, she's alive. And she's fierce. I like it. I love this hair from Julia Hair. And I saw the box here. I repurposed their box. I don't know. Okay, y'all can see that. I repurposed their box for my wig supplies. But this box is really, really cute. So they've been in company 10 years. They provide service for the people who love beauty and fashion. It says don't use hot tools too often, which I never really did have to use it too often. I just, you know, blow dried it. Then if I really wanted it to be like bone straight, you know, if I wanted to slap a hoe with like my little tail right here and like cut her, you know, if I wanted to cut somebody, I would straighten it. But yeah, other than that, I really like this hair. Just those two complaints about the closure, and maybe with the longer inches, you probably get that problem all the time anyway, because they have inches up to 30, okay? This is only, I believe, 26, I believe. I've already mentioned the links, so you guys should already know the links by now. But yeah, this is some really long hair. I've had this since December, and it is now March, and I wear it on and off a lot, so I kind of want to put this in after this. Like, this is some long hair. This is some, like, this is some long hair, and I would have got the 30 inches had I not had to go to work, and I don't want to be that extra at work, so. But, you know, if you want some long inches, Julia Hair is the place to go, so. Ooh, girl, get yourself together. I know you got a big head like me. Don't need to be slinging it all on me. But yeah, I really like this hair, y'all. It's very shiny, it's very pretty. Ooh, it's loosening up, so. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Julia's hair info will all be in the description box below, along with a discount code, hopefully. So I will check you guys out next time. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Say bye. She says bye.